Don't mind the tape, I just don't know what YouTube is like with logos and companies, but my name can stay, I guess. But first thing when you're doing any electrical work on any vehicle, I think, well, maybe I'm a little bit just overprotective, but disconnect the battery. So you probably want to set it for 10 minutes, or you want to undo both and join them together so that you can earth out the entire system and draw any current that's left. But I'll just be undoing the negative today, and you don't need to with the instructions on this, but it's just best to be safe, especially with an ECU. You don't want to blow it in your first go. So I'm very excited about this. I've pretty much been counting down the minutes and seconds to receiving this thing, and Schroeder valve. It looks pretty stock, but it has got the company's name. I don't know if I should show that just yet, but yeah, so here is my Remapped ECU. So let's just start the installation process. So as I said, the negative on the battery has been disconnected. It's been sitting for about literally probably 2 or 3 minutes, but I'm not too concerned as everything should shut off. Yeah, we'll see how we go, but I will show you where the ECU actually sits in it. So, my ECU, fold this down and there she is, right there. A pretty convenient spot for Nissan to put it, not in the engine bay, away from any heat. So, a pretty good spot for it, I think. But yeah, it looks like it's just 10 mils on each side. So, swiftly and shortly, it should come out pretty quickly. So just a solid 10 mil here holding the plug in place. You want to remove that first. Then you've got 2 10 mils on each side. So, should come out pretty easily and just slip through probably this side or the passenger side, but there's surely enough room for either either. So even better again, it's just these 2 10 mils on this side, and it's just a locator on the actual back on the passenger side, so not bad at all. I will need 2 hands to pull this. So there you go, just a locator there at the back, and obviously the bracket that holds the ECU in place. It's that easy, eh? And there it is in place, the new Remapped ECU. So, time to put the negative back on the battery terminal and see if she starts. Alright, first start up. So, primer's still going, everything is per usual.